Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 2487, that is remove nodes from the linked list, and then this will be one head of the linked list, and we have to remove every node which is a node with a greater value anywhere to the right of side of it, and we have to return the head of the modified linked list. For example, we are given this linked list 5, 2, 13, 3 and 8, so we have to just return 13 and 8 because on these on the right side of these elements we are having no greater element. Basically it's just an another implementation of next greater element somewhere kind of that, just that in this we are having a list node instead of an array. Okay, so for this let's first have a stack of okay, and first let's have a list node current that will be pointing towards my head obviously, and for this we'll be using the same approach that we have used in next greater element already. We'll be having a stack of linked list node. Let's call it stack, that is equal to new stack. And now while my not current is not equal to null, and what I have to check is that while not stack dot is empty and my the top value which is present in my stack is less than my current value. Okay, stack dot peak dot value is less than my current nodes value, current dot var. So in that case I have to do pop operation, stk dot pop, and after this I just have to push it into the stack dot push current, and I'll be moving my current equal to current dot next. Okay, so by now we'll be having all the elements which we need to have in the stack. And now what I have to do is, like, I just have to reverse the stack and it will be giving me a sorted linked list. So for that I'll be having a list node, let's say next pointer, my which is currently my null, and then again while my not stack dot is empty, what I'll be doing is I'll be popping off my current element. Current is equal to stack dot pop. Okay, and what I'll be doing is I'll be setting my current dot next will be equal to my current next, and I'll be moving my next equal to current, like, or let's say prev equal to current, similar like that, and at the end we'll just return current. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.